What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We are back home from Grid Life, from Louisiana. We have things to do. Today is Wednesday. I have a track day this Sunday. And with that being said, it's time to do some track prep stuff. But right now, I'm about to head up to Wine Country Motorsports to pick up my race suit. When I get back home, I did receive my autopiler roll bar for the Integra. So I'm gonna try, if I have time today, hopefully scuff it, primer, paint it. Well, install it first and then primer it, scuff it, paint, well, scuff it, paint it, scuff it, prime it, paint it, yeah. So that's the goal for today. Well, I also have more things. I have to actually fix the RSX. I have an oil intake manifold gasket issue that I will be fixing when I get back from Acro to pick up my, it's a lot of stuff going on today. So just follow along for the vlog. Hope you enjoy yourself for this video and hopefully get some stuff done. Yeah, that's it. Look at this, it's so trash. It's so trash. So I'm gonna try to attempt to do my rack tomorrow. I'm gonna try to buy a manual rack and buy all the brackets maybe, like, well, not maybe needed, but needed. I just gotta see what's up, dog. I need a manual rack in there, man. Like this, along this power rack, like I like the turning radius of the power rack when it has the loop kit on it, but this, nah, bro, like this is not it, dog. This is not it. Like my wheel's like this. It's garbage. So I had sold my cluster because I'm stupid, and now I put in my old cluster that doesn't read gas, so I don't know what my gas. So I made it to Wine Country Motorsports. Let's go get us a race suit, man. I would bring you guys inside, but the way my social and anxiety is set up, that's not happening. So I'll see y'all when I get back. I got the race suit, son. Woo! That was very expensive. Dumb expensive. Thank God that I'm prospering in life right now, bro. All the stars are aligning themselves and I can afford a race suit. But most importantly, shout out to credit cards. I'll show you guys the suit when I get home. Take like a cool little picture in it. Oh, am I cool now? But nah, safety is very important, dog. And I know like I don't do crazy ass track driving and stuff, but having a suit is very important because you never know, bro. I already got a Hans device already, which I bought like almost a year ago. So, you know, I pretty much got everything. My roll bar's in, so my safety is definitely up there. Well, I'm gonna say it's all the way up there, but it's getting there. It's getting there. We're taking the safety way more serious this year, bro. Way more serious. I'm just now leaving Acura. Got some parts that I needed from my RSX, actually. These are going on RSX today. These are fuel injector O-rings. I'm rebuilding the fuel, well, not rebuilding, but redoing the fuel injectors because I have to replace the intake manifold gasket before I sell the car. And I got some tree frog. But now, we're gonna go home and I got a lot of stuff to do. I might gotta replace my inner and outer tie rods. I think that's what my issue is. I got a lot of stuff going on today. But let's get it done. Okay, so we're back at the crib. As you see, the RSX bumper is off. We are now in the process of installing a new gasket. Let me show you how clapped out my old intake manifold gasket is. So this is the one that's been running on the RSX, and you can see the issues that was going on with it. Luckily for me, I have a brand new intake manifold gasket from none other than Hybrid Racing. This is their new intake manifold gasket set that you can get for your 24 or 20 application, whichever it may be. Bro, I am on a super time crunch right now, man. I'm trying to get everything done. I gotta go to freaking visit JB so he can like help me wire up my aim dash. Oh, so much stuff. So this is the new Johnny. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Can y'all read that? What that say? Ooh, Hybrid Racing. Hold on. Ooh, Hybrid Racing. Ooh. Yeah, so we're gonna put this one on the car right now. Right now. For poops and giggles, you can see how bad my old gasket was compared to my new one. Crazy, bro. Crazy. All right, it is all done. Yeah. So the whole install portion took about like 35 minutes, so that's good. We're good on time. It's 2 o'clock now. I know I was supposed to scuff and paint the paint bar, but I mean the roll bar, that right there, but that doesn't look like it's gonna happen because right now I'm about to go to JB's. JB finishes up in time. I can come home, scuff it, maybe get it ready for paint tomorrow, and then all day tomorrow this will be in the garage curing while I'll be working on the Integra. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy ass day along with today, so Yeah, dog. You guys will probably get the AIM install video, not this video, because JB made me a whole custom new thing. It's gonna be sick. He's gonna put it on his website and sell it soon, so that's gonna be sick. But for now, we're just doing all the stuff that I will show you once, you know, I actually install it. But for the sake of this video, I think I'm gonna have time to scuff and maybe paint and primer then paint the roll cage, well, roll bar, or install it. So yeah, I'm gonna take off the X-bars and paint that too. So a lot of stuff going on. All right, so it's hours later. I'm at home. I got everything I needed from Home Depot to paint, and well, I already scuffed up the roll bar. I gotta find my thing for the lighting so I can pick it up. I don't know where I put the stand for it. I gotta find it. But I got the alcohol. I ain't get no terry cloths, but I'm just gonna clean it with, like, I think regular paper towel should do. So what I got from Home Depot is got some primer, automotive primer, got gloss white, gloss clear coat, obviously. I got 2 cans of everything. So I got this. But hopefully this works out in my favor and I have a cool painted white cage. I need to put something on the ground so I don't have a crap ton of overspray on the floor. All right, so use my alcohol, used paper towel, got it cleaned up. Then I went over it with a microfiber cloth. And now it's time to lay some primer. Okay, good morning. It is now exactly 9 o'clock. So now it's time to lay down some paint. The primer's all done on it. It's sat for like 9 hours, 10 hours. This is you probably can't see it on camera, but this is the best that I've got, the primer to adhere. So hopefully when I lay the paint down, it comes out nice and smooth. I don't know, I'm not sure. I hope so. If not, it is what it is. Yeah, so hopefully everything goes good today with the roll bar and the X-bar. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna paint the X-bar that's inside the Integra. I gotta paint you, girl. So, yeah. Let's get to work. Okay, man, I'm trying my best to update you guys on what's going on with the builds. Not builds, but just going on in general with the car. I'm just overwhelmed right now. But cage has been painted. No clear coat yet. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Everything is pretty good on it. No flaws that I can see visibly, like no dark spots. Everything is nice and neat. Looks pretty damn good. I don't know how the camera's picking it up, but it looks solid. She is ready to go. All I gotta do now is add some clear coat, which I have right here, but I don't know if I'm gonna use this clear coat, to be honest. I'm probably gonna go back to Home Depot and find something better, because if you plan on doing some painting to your car, I recommend this right here. Instead of using that garbage, well, not the primer, but this right here is the best paint to use, dog. High performance enamel, bro, this right here, this is the truth. And I got the little gun from, well, not gun, but trigger from Walmart. And these cans are like $5, so it's not that bad. It's pretty solid. But yeah, the X-bar is painted. I might just cut the video off here. I won't install it until tomorrow. Speaking of which, I have to show you guys what I'm doing to the X-bar. Well, honestly, I don't. The X-bar is getting painted as well. I'm gonna set it up in here, put some freaking things in the roof and let them hang, and then just paint it while in here. So it's gonna look a lot of overspray like what you see right now. I'm gonna pour Crocs, bruh. I'm gonna pour Crocs. I had like white stuff on my nose and stuff. My mom said I looked like I sniffed a line of coke. What the hell? I got a boo-boo on my finger, bro. I got a boo-boo. I got a boo-boo. So yeah, that's all what's going on, bro. This paint is ass. Do not buy this. This is ass. What's up, fam? So this is what's going on. I was gonna cut the video off earlier after the last clip of saying this paint is ass, and that was like several hours ago. This is how my garage is looking now. X-BAR is covered because ROLLBAR is covered because I'm painting the X-BAR. I don't want to get overspray on it. But this is one coat of the white paint for the X-BAR. I'm gonna go ahead and do another coat right now. Yes, I know how much a hazard this is, painting in an unventilated area. I mean, the garage is closed, kind of. But yeah, that's 2 coats of paint. I'll probably do 3 coats and 1 and done. But to close out this video, yeah, that's what I'm using. So if you want to do this, I highly recommend using this right here, high performance enamel paint. And as far as clear coat is concerned, this clear is the clear you need to use right here. The real 2K clear. This is real deal clear coat. So done. Once I do 3 coats of paint on this, I am going to remove all of this and then clear coat everything tonight. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. But it's time for me to close out this video, and I'm gonna close it out right here actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hold on, let me clean y'all because that probably got like dust particles. Yeah, I'm using my buff. But hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I know it wasn't nothing crazy, no cool edits. I know I'm just trying to rush and get things done. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll be up to date with everything. I wish Instagram paid me to post stories, cause like, bro, I've been going ham. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and stay up to date with all the car stuff that's happening right now. That's the best way you can know what's going on. And you know, if I'm not uploading, I'm always on Instagram uploading stories there. So follow me on the gram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. And all in all, I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be catching you guys out in the nails, and I'm out. Peace.